Hey, Vito, you want to get filmed today? Want to go on the table and get filmed? You know, like a graphic.
Mm-hmm.
And then this will be the thing. This is just what we're going to do, just to check it out, to see if we can go to somebody's business
Right.
who wants to do a commercial. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Okay, she's a-rolling.
She's rolling.
Actually, it'd be better without the light on behind you.
Really?
Yeah, uh-huh. That way you don't have any kind of backlight. What you would want to do is you would have a light in front of you, quicker, you know?
Is it?
But right there is fine.
Is that good?
Sure. Maybe you can just move this chair out of the way. And that would do it.
Okay, you ready?
And hold on 1 second. Oh, there you go. I was going to say, I was wondering how come the light didn't light.
I was wondering why there was... I thought I was going to say something to you, but I didn't know. I seen it on the front, but I didn't know if you needed it or not.
Right. But, yeah, you could start any time.
Okay, hi, my name's Tony Gallo. I'd like to welcome you to the Medical and Healthcare Show. It's NEPA's one and only TV show targeted at making the medical and healthcare advertising industry not just an ad in a newspaper anymore. Our goal is for every business to take on its own personality by putting your business out to the community with a live commercial or even a live infomercial, which we will produce, which is included in the cost below. Well, you know, this is a letter, so I'm just doing this by thing here. The show airs Monday, January 3rd on Channel 10, the Philadelphia channel. The show will run 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 12 noon, including weekends. So it's a great opportunity for potential clients to see with their own eyes what you do and how you do it without paying the high prices local newspapers charge to advertise. Stop it right there. It's about 30 seconds. We're gonna do another one.
And perfect. Oh,
Can you play it back or no?
sure.
Can you play it back with sound?
Sure.
That's what I want to hear.
Yep. There you go. Let's see if I can center it a little bit better.
There's some money. We'll go invest in all the products that we actually need.
Right. But right now it has to be just temporary. Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
But looks good. You're rolling.
Okay.
Did you want to play it back now?
Yeah, let's stop it, turn it back, play it back. Let's hear what it sounds like as far as sound is concerned.
Okay. Want me to give it a try?
Yeah, you go back there and do a 30-second on your business.
Okay. Did you want me to read the same paper that you were reading?
No. I want you to tell the community about, like you were doing a commercial for your business. What you do, why, and how good you are, how many years experience you're a place that you can trust for your TV or electronic needs or whatever.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, go ahead. Well, you know what? You're going to do it anyway because you're going to go on. So you're going to have to go home eventually because I want to put you on.
Right.
And get you more business.
There you go.
So this is just like...
Right now I'm aiming for computer repairs, but again I
okay,
do
there you go.
Sure.
Right now, what do you do?
Okay.
You want to write it down?
No, I wouldn't even have to. Let's see if I could even just like sort of wing it. Hi, my name is Jerry. I repair televisions, VCRs, stereos, microwave ovens, camcorders, projection TVs, and I specialize right now in computers. And I can make computers so perfect that I can also give a lifetime guarantee, which nobody could beat. But give me a call. Phone number is 457-6432, or just stop in. I'm right there in the corner by the traffic light on Foot Avenue. And it's at 193 Foot Avenue in Duryea. And that's what I've been doing for the last 24 years. And if you need any kind of repairs or help or configuration settings or anything related, computer related or anything in that nature, or electronic nature actually, give me a call.
Call me for a free estimate for someone.
And give me a call for a free estimate, and I'd be glad to help you out.
That's good.
That's good.
Stop? What do I press stop?
And then even if you pause, or if I pick up where you left off, it's all done in the editing. You cut
Where do I
those
press
parts
pause?
off. Actually, it's on the handle itself. I'll show you. The little red button. Oh, here it is, right here. It's in the front.
Oh, okay.
Money isn't everything. You hauled that brand new 1990. Oh, I love this truck. Jill, this is what you need for your TVs.
I know.
I got the U-Haul truck. Oh,